Hey everyone, I made it into Mrs. Claus Bakery Collection here in the at-home store. So we do have a few gingerbread pieces here. Theme. So in my last video at the at-home store, I did like a sneak peek of Christmas. They had the gingerbread macaroon train, and that train is sold out. That was like the first to go because I cannot find it anymore. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna add in more. I hope they do. But gingerbread goes by really fast. $21.99, a little countdown. It is a wood tray. I like the wheels on here. They're like peppermint wheels, and then 2 trees, and you have the countdown right here. And this is gonna be 15. It's gonna light up. Here we go. Just a little light in there. I love the gingerbread look. I haven't seen the lanterns and gingerbread at all, like decorated. I do wish this light was a little brighter, dimmer, but we could probably fix that. And look how cute this guy is, right? He is $8. Tell me he is not adorable. Has a little bow tie. I do wish there was different options to choose from, but this is all I see right now. It's like really cute. And we have gingerbread kisses. I love this one too, for $7. Normally I'm not a fan of the signs, but I like that vintage vibe right here with the gingerbread girl and boy with the little gumdrop. Really cute, and you know it is full of glitter. Again, we could dust that off. And gingerbread lane. Now this reminds me of Candyland, right? $12. That is actually cute.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come. We gather round the chimney, sitting close to keep us warm. The mistletoe is hanging at the door. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we decorate the tree. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here with me. Tell me, can you feel it? There is loving in the air. No more feeling lonely or in despair. We give out the presents, they keep coming back for more. No one should be sad or left alone. Nothing matters more than being here with you. I give up all I have to show you that my love is Christmas is the time to leave your ego at the door. Everybody smiling while we dance around the floor. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we decorate the tree. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here with me.
It's kind of cute. This is $18, like oozing out of a cupcake liner. And you guys, that is kind of it for my gingerbread area. I wonder if it's selling out fast, or you know, it's taking time to get back in. $3.99. They do have some ribbon. Look at that gingerbread one, kind of like a peppermint swirl. There's like the candy cane. Oh, he's a little bow tie. Every time I see a gingerbread man with a bow tie, I think of, you know, the book. Mrs. Claus sippy cup, a little sippy. That is $10. $5.99 in the pink. It is glittered out. They're shatterproof. and $5.99 for the pink candy cane. And these are kind of cool. They're a snowman. See that? Oh, see, that's broken. And they're supposed to be shatterproof. Oh, see, he's busted up. He's like a melting snowman. I guess you have to be careful with that one. I also have the teal color pom-poms. Okay, these are going to be new for me, like for your tree. Let's find out. They got the pink. I know a lot of people love to do a pinky Christmas. These are $5. It's different. And these cupcake ones, these are kind of cool. You do get 3. Let me find out a price for you. If I could find one, but I like how you get 3 in here. They have the green liner to choose from, blue, kind of like pastel-y colors, like cotton candy vibes. And look at the large one. I can't find a price. Oh, you know what? They're like hidden. They're like wrapped up. Oh no, but yeah, they do have a large one, which is kind of cool. These are going to be $6. And a garland, let me bring it out for you. These are $5.99. A 12-foot little gingerbread plushie ornaments, $5. You need a baking head for $5. So cute. Oh gosh, you guys, they even have a butter. That's really, really different. Now this one would have to be kind of one of my favorites. I like that little wreath looking gingerbread people for $5. That's cute. And a few of these houses are left over for $2.99. There's only a few left. And then of course the glitter one. Our first Christmas in our new home, that's $3. That is actually really, really cute. And you guys, the Santa gingerbread guy, he is adorable. Let me bring him down. Look at him. He is stinking adorable.
Yeah, I kind of like the glitter on that one.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, I think that might be it for my gingerbread collection here. They're calling it Mrs. Claus Bakery Collection. I do feel like they're going to add more. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, you know what? I didn't know this one had like gumdrops. It was holding gumdrops. And they're kind of beaded where the butt is, so maybe you can make it like sit down. And this one has a little whisk. How funny. I didn't notice. So there is sand at the bottom. It's not too heavy, but I guess I could sit like that.
Maybe
they might fall over. Yeah.